Welcome back, viewers. You're watching Beyond World is One. I'm Shivan John. Now, let's start with the headlines. The Directors General of Military Operations of India and Pakistan set to engage today. Sources say no talks expected on other issues as the Indus Waters Treaty or Kashmir.
Nine terror hubs left more than 100 terrorists killed, including
over 100 terrorists killed in strikes during Operation Sindoor. These included high-value targets like Yusuf Azhar, Abdul Malik Rauf, Mudassir Ahmad, who were linked to IC-814 hijacking and Pulwama blasts. Indian military says Pakistani army lost 35 to 40 personnel in India's response to the shelling across the LOC from the 7th to the 10th of May. India hit Pakistani military installations, 11 air bases and surveillance radar sites in response to Pakistan's intrusion.
All our pilots are back home.
Air Marshal A.K. Bharti confirms all the Indian pilots are back home safe, adds that the objective of the operation was achieved. India lays down new normal for its ties with Pakistan. Government sources tell Beyond the cost of terror has been increased. Full authority given to military commanders for counteraction in the kinetic domain. US President Donald Trump hails an announcement by Hamas that it would release American-Israeli hostage Eden Alexander from Gaza. The release comes after direct talks between Hamas and the United States. Ukrainian President Zelensky says he is ready to meet Russian President Vladimir Putin in Istanbul on Thursday, and this is after US President Trump called for Ukraine to accept Russia's offer for talks. Philippines heads to polls in a midterm election today, widely seen as a referendum on the feud between President Ferdinand Marcos and impeached Vice President Sara Duterte. Wall Street futures are on the rise and the dollar is gaining strength as signs of progress in US-China trade talks lift global market sentiment and ease recession fears.